In another video today with the chickens. First, this is my second video outside with my laptop. So, they're going to the coop. Say hi, guys. Hello. Very, very nice things. That one right there, the brown one, is Brittany. The black one is Cuddlesworth, and what do you call it? This one, oh please, it's Sunshine. They produce really quality eggs, and this one Brittany we call our eyeless chicken. She's lost an eye on the other side. As a baby, she got it pecked out, and it was it sucked. But she's one of the easiest to catch, and yeah, she's one of my second favorite out. So, here's the egg we got today. The other one was covered in poop, and this one's from Sunshine. Yeah. Still testing the Mora, so I'll do that later. So yeah, if you guys like this video, comment, rate, subscribe, and if you guys want more of these chickens, just tell me. So this is Ethan signing off. Bye, guys.